Alright, so we got 2 pigs about 2 weeks ago. This is probably our first time recording them. They're, huh? They're about 8 or 9 weeks old, and they're named Simone and Pumbaa. So she named them. Yeah. Anyways, we're gonna feed them, and we kind of just feed them a bunch of table scraps and whatnot. And when we don't have too many table scraps, we feed them corn and pig feed, and here they are.
Hi, boy. Ready?
So they're bigger than they look. Hey, before you toss some eggs in. We'll let the kids toss some eggs in. Just
the eggs are all the way at the bottom, of course.
That's fine.
You guys want to give them an egg?
Yeah, you guys want to feed them eggs?
He doesn't want to. Oh, now you do?
Come on.
You want to give him an egg? You want to give him an egg?
This one's not even.
No? Okay. They go nuts for these eggs. They love them. Oh, now you want to do an egg? Here you go. You give them an egg. That's always.
Alright, they'll find it.
Haley, do you want to do another one? Okay.
Alright, you can have the rest of that in the thing if you can. There's some bread in there, some birthday cake, some eggs, some chicken bones. They'll eat anything, so.
Give them scoop of feed.
Sure. Go in there and give him a pet.
Yeah.
Oh, they will while they're eating. There's that chicken bone. Hey, grab that egg too. No, Bob, you can't go in there.
Can I get that egg? So you guys don't get shocked? The little skittish one. Come on. Oh.
They eat the egg and sing all the way over there.
Yeah.
There's a yellow bucket. I found it all the way over there, and the piggies went over because they eat it.
There goes that chicken bone. They'll come back and get later.
Come on. You get it.
Is there cake in there?
Yeah, your leftover birthday cake.
Whose birthday was it?
See?
How old are you?
Hi, there you go, Pumbaa.
That's right.
There's a boy.
No. Why are they tails curled?
That's just what they do. Just like Nuggy's tail. Nuggy's tail's curled. It's like a little piggy.
He's a piggy. Nuggy's a piggy. Nuggy's a piggy.
See, all we did was this was already here. This little paddock, I guess you want to call it. But this fence was already here. All we did was shore up with a couple of fence posts, and then we put the electric line down here. Now it's pretty easy. I haven't had any problems with it. Kind of just goes around the bottom, and they haven't had any issues. A little pig house over here, and there's electric in there as well. And then we have this detachable line right here, and then a door, and then she's throwing the food bin in front of it just in case to somehow get underneath that electric and then also through the door. But haven't had any issues, and they've been enjoying life. So
we're thankful that when we got them, they were already electric fence trained, so we didn't have to train them for that. So we got kind of lucky with that one. Since they already were accustomed to having electric fence, we didn't have to worry about them trying to duck underneath it and run. They already knew.
that's right. All right, come on, let's go. Here, I'll help you out. All right. While we're out here, go feed the rest of the animals.
The rest of the horde.
They know the order. We usually feed the pigs first, and then we come up here, and usually they come running down trying to get food, even though we don't have any food for them. It's all up at the barn. Yep.
Come on. They know. Right there. Here.
We just got the siding in yesterday, so goats, of course, they like to use it as a play place. That's what they're gonna do. And then this is all for them. We're gonna break off a couple pieces for the rabbits, but for the most part, goats will just sit here and chow down. I'm gonna grab the trimmers. This guy he'll stay in here with the rabbits, just harassing them for a while. We like to feed them at the same time, because if we try to feed them early, they'll just sit there and won't eat. So.
Pretty big.
You want to divvy this out for him? He's all about, he loves these rabbits. Loves them.
These are the girls. Grab too much today, did you?
No. We can grab some more. It's not a big deal.
Hey, sweetheart. Sabrina.
What's her name? Sabrina?
Yep. I still haven't figured that one out yet.
We've had this one for longer.
I know. Her name hasn't come to me yet. We got filter. There are crazy ducks.
Alright. Time to get the old ducks and the chickens see if they need feed. We feed them every day, but sometimes we just change their feed over to like a corn mixture, and they haven't really been eating like they were before. So I don't know if it's that or if it's the we also change over their feeders. Their feeders are now like kind of goat proof, but let's see. These are their feeders now, and they really haven't been eating everything like they used to, so it's kind of weird.
We're not having this.
We'll see.
We're not having this one. It's our bloating.
Alright, yeah, they're up there.
Here, all the way up.
I just installed this today, and I'm happy to see that they are all the way at the top, which I didn't know if they'd get up there. It's hard to see in this light, but they're there. Alright, well, still feeding here, plenty of it. I don't know why they're not eating. Maybe we have to change back to the old bowls. We'll see. Alright, well, that's enough for today, so thanks for watching.